Welcome to this video tutorial. Before I go on, please subscribe that channel. Make sure you like and share. This is iPhone 15 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how you can flash it. And something happened while flashing it. I'm using 3uTools to flash it, and now got an error along the way, unable to request SHSH. That's around 9%. Please, this particular video, I want to beg you guys. Most of the time, I get many questions. Somebody will not watch the video and start asking you questions. Before you ask questions, make sure you watch the video very well and understand what the video is talking about. You have to watch this video till the end before you know how to solve this problem. That's when you watch the video halfway, you start asking questions or saying that, oh, this solution didn't work or not. If you want to know more about how to flash phone, please check the course on my description. And please, before you flash any phone, you have to know what you are doing, because any mistake may damage your phone. So here on this particular video, I'm going to solve that error. That is the latest error that says error unable to request SHS at 9% on 3uTools. Why I prefer using 3uTools to flash iPhone is because iTunes now, you have to upgrade according to the system Windows version, unless you are running Windows 11. So I prefer using 3uTools because I have a lot of fun to flash. So without wasting time, let's import the iOS I downloaded earlier on. If you don't know how to download it, check my videos. You see how you can download any iPhone iOS firmware. It's verifying the file. This iOS 17.6 was updated of recent, and I want to update this phone to the latest version as of today. iPhone 18 and so on is still on the way. iPhone 18 is still on pipeline. So wait patiently. Let your import be verified by 3uTools, whether it's compatible with the iPhone you want to flash. Wait for the 3uTools to verify the firmware you want to use, whether it's compatible or whether it will match the phone you want to flash. So I've started flashing the phone. So let's see what happens. So this is the error, 9% requesting SHSH, unable to request SHSH. So let's try it again. So let's flash it again. And the same error. So let's check if there is a latest 3uTools and download it. If you see the website, it's 3u.com. We'll download for Windows because I'm using Windows. This is downloading here. And we'll close the 3uTools. Close it entirely. Exit it. So it has finished downloading. Next thing we'll do, let's install it. I'll click on run. Then click on agree and then install. Wait for it to finish your installation. Sometimes when you're doing installation, try and refresh your system. We can click on launch to launch the 3uTools. Please subscribe the channel, like and share with your friends. If you want to know more how to flash phone, there's a link on the description how to flash Android and iPhone. So let's go to flash again. Then this time around, we'll select here, then import it. We're selecting local firmware, so to import it will not take time. This is the file. We click on it. It's imported. Then we click on flash. Then click on flash again. I started from 9%. It has passed. So we're done. Boom. It's done. So this particular problem now is being solved by upgrading the 3uTools. As easy as that. If you don't watch the video to this stage, you might not understand how to solve it. So that's how I solved this particular problem. So since the video has helped you, please like, share, subscribe the channel, and also share it anywhere you want to share the video. That's how you can support us. Thanks for watching. Make sure you turn on your notification bell so that you get more of our video. You'll be the first person to see whenever we post our video. Thanks and goodbye for now.